Hey guys, it's Tammy with Lost My Desk, and 2018 is here. Time for some new changes in your life. If you're not happy in your job and you want to make a change, maybe you're looking to travel the world or work from home so you have more flexible free time, I can help you do that. So I've done that for 8 years. I have not set an alarm clock except for one time in the whole 8 years. So pretty excited about that. I get to set my own schedule. I get to work anywhere in the world that I choose to. I can take a road trip. I can, fly to another country and still not miss a beat with my work. So I am teaching social media for businesses. And, if you have your own idea for a business or you're already in business for yourself, stay tuned because the training can help you as well. But essentially, I started Lost My Desk so that I could help people create a job that they would love, that would give them more flexibility and more free time to do things, and just have more time to enjoy life. And that's what I get to do. And I feel so blessed. I feel so fortunate and lucky. And I can't say enough good things about it. And I'm actually helping businesses. So this is nothing scammy. There's nothing, there's nothing to worry about. There's nothing scammy. There's no affiliate program. There's no downline. There's no, telling your friends they have to do anything. This is just all about helping businesses with their social media channels, okay? So lesson one, I'm just going to briefly go through this with you, but when you sign up at thelostmydesk.com under sign up, you're going to get 10 lessons. And today I'm just going to review lesson one, and then the next few days I'll kind of go over all of them with you and answer any questions you might have so you can see if this is something for you, okay? Or if you've already signed up, which I have several people that have, thank you. And I'm so excited that you're here with me, and I can't wait to help you guys. So in lesson one, you can create and open up social media channels for businesses. And I charge anywhere from $65 to $100 something per each channel to set that up for them. And that just includes their photos, their logo, their content, their information. And I set it up and put in their phone, their contact, their business hours, and set their vanity URL. And I'm going to show you how to do that in lesson one. So right off the bat, when you get a new client, you're instantly getting anywhere from $300 to $650 to set up their channels. And then so what's important when you're setting up a channel or channels on social media is that their vanity URL matches across all channels. So that way if somebody's searching for me on Google and they type in Lost My Desk, they're more than likely to find all my social networks and find me easier. Especially when they're on a different platform and they type in Lost My Desk, I'll always pop up. So a lot of businesses fail to do this, and I'm not sure why, but a lot of their vanity URLs don't match. And it's okay if they don't. So if you have a client that already has a business started on Facebook and you're managing that for them, in some cases you can change it and fix it, but some of them you can't. So anyway, this just goes through on how to open up a Gmail email account so that you can collect all the spam notifications and stuff. And then, so it separates it from their business address because business owners do not want to get all those notifications. So, and you can monitor it for them through the different phone apps. And they can too as well if they wanted to, but they don't need to get all the emails. So, anyway, Facebook setup, Instagram setup, how to create a business account, all the different things that you need to do and can do for businesses or for yourself so that you can make money or start your own dream business doing something that you love, okay? So all the different social networks are in here, and then it also talks about how to bring in a branding element. So for your cover photos, you can actually use something like Canva, where you don't have to have any graphic skills, graphic artist skills. You can actually upload a photo or use their stock photography and just drag and drop, put your text and logos on there very easily. And it's very inexpensive to use. So anyway, lesson one is just all about setting up your channels correctly for a business or for yourself. And tomorrow we're going to go through lesson two. So stay tuned. Please ask any questions that you might have, and I can't wait to help you guys in 2018. So I would like to tweak this and the training to better suit you guys. So if you have more questions, that's going to help me to, implement even more to help you guys along the way. Because originally this was just about teaching you the steps that I take on a daily basis to help businesses, like small businesses, medium-sized businesses, do and manage their social media channels and advertising. So all the stuff in here is great, but now that I've started Lost My Desk, I'm learning so much more. Oh my God. So like for a travel blogger, I'm building websites now like this, and I'm going through all these different trials and errors, and I'm doing Facebook pixels and tracking and retracking and more custom audiences. So those are things that I can help you more with. Landing pages, all that different stuff. I can help you with so much. I know it all. I do. So, all right. I will talk to you guys later. I don't want to make this too long, but comment and let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for being here. Bye.